Imagine cooking delicious meals with ease and speed. Introducing the air fryer, a game-changing kitchen appliance loved by customers. This air fryer stands out with its high-quality build and intuitive control panel. Many users rave about how simple it is to operate, making it suitable for anyone. One standout feature is its DualZone cooking, allowing 2 dishes to cook at once. Many customers share how it cooks food evenly, ensuring every bite is perfectly crispy. In less than 15 minutes, you could enjoy crispy potatoes. This appliance boasts an impressive 8-quart capacity, making it perfect for families. It caters to your cooking needs while being easy to clean. The dishwasher-safe baskets eliminate the hassle of hand washing. Customers consistently describe the air fryer's ability to deliver consistent, delicious results. From chicken drumsticks to reheated pizza, everything turns out crispy without the need for flipping. Users appreciate the fast cooking times and the ability to prepare multiple meals simultaneously. The air fryer's user-friendliness is praised across the board. New users find it intuitive, allowing anyone to become a cooking pro in no time. The clear instructions included help you get started quickly. Cleaning this air fryer is also a breeze. Many enjoy that it doesn't leave lingering smells and can be easily wiped clean. The non-stick surfaces make maintenance simple. Users often recommend using silicone inserts to further ease the cleaning process. The capacity of this air fryer is a significant highlight. Customers adore the 2 large baskets that can cook different foods at the same time. The ability to merge the baskets into one larger compartment offers even more versatility in meal prep. Lastly, the taste of food prepared in this air fryer is exceptional. Reviewers describe how it produces juicy meats and flavorful vegetables. Whether you're cooking a simple meal or trying new recipes, the results are always satisfying. If you're looking to elevate your cooking game effortlessly, this air fryer is the appliance for you. Don't miss out on experiencing the joy of quick, crispy, and delicious meals. Try one out for yourself and see the transformation in your kitchen.